Texas until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:19 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Thackerville, or 10 miles northeast of Gainesville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pottsboro, Callisburg, Eisenhower State Park, and Southern Lake Texoma. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for North Central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. If on or near Lake Texoma, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Do not be caught on the water in the thunderstorm. High winds and waves can capsize boats. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 13.